another problem solver is the EyePrint Pro. So this is an impression-based technology. So it's a transparent prosthetic scleral device that matches exactly the contours of the eye. So I like to talk to my patients and tell them that it's a very customized technology, like the most custom fit glove or dress or whatever it might be. And it is used to create the best vision and comfort possible for a patient. So you can see the impression or the blue goo. And I don't know about you, Tom, but I feel like I always get more messy than my patients do with this. They have a little bit, and somehow I get it all over my hands. But it's kind of a messy process. But here you can see, it allows for a really precise lens design. This impression here is gorgeous. And what we've learned over the years and from many of our colleagues that are teaching us, and I'm going to share this with you because you can see in this impression that the horizontal visible iris diameter is much larger than the vertical visible iris diameter, which is what we're seeing in many patients. So I'd encourage you to actually look, and I'm noticing this all the time, not just in contact lens wearers or scleral lens wearers, but just patients that are coming in, that the HVID is larger than the VVID. And so then the impression is scanned and a very precise lens is designed for the patient. And here you can see the lens that is really unique. So in my clinic, I'm using this for patients that have really elevated blebs, very irregular corneas, those that had some sort of problem or issue with a prior lens. Maybe their eyes were getting red or they weren't comfortable, or there was just one area that could not be perfected. So now that we have scleral profilometry and impression-based technology, it's a really exciting time because we can make better lenses for our patients. So these are just some examples of really complex eyes where this technology can be used, but it can also be used not only for scleral lenses, but also for corneal gas permeable lenses. So you can see here that sometimes we have corneal GPs that come off the eye, they dislodge, they're not fitting just where you want them to fit. And in my clinic, especially those patients who have had corneal transplants, those who have pre-existing corneal edema where I'm really hesitant and I don't want to fit a scleral lens, corneal gas permeable lenses are a great option. And sometimes those eyes are really challenging where the lens doesn't sit quite where I want it to. So previously we could do things like piggyback the lens, we could put a soft lens on and then the gas permeable lens over. We could, make it so it was okay, but now we can make it even better with